Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on Fort Augusta Drive in Portmore, which is in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now, Fort Augusta Drive is also known as Back Road. As you can see, that building on the right used to be a hotel. I'm not sure if it's still operating as a hotel, but it looks, I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, on the right is Bayfront Villas, and now we're on Fort Augusta Drive, or Back Road. Now this road is very popular because it has a lot of restaurants, a lot of hotels, a lot of entertainment activities. As to why they call it Back Road now, I'm not sure. I've heard rumors, but we won't go there today. But this is the road. As you can see, we just passed a fishing village, I guess, where a lot of persons are selling fish. Now these are the restaurants, and some are very popular restaurants, well known in Jamaica. A lot of seafood restaurants, a lot of sports bars, as you can see. This road is very busy at night. They have parties, a lot of activities. And as you know, Portmore has one of the largest populations in Jamaica, so you can imagine how busy this place is. Okay, we continued straight. That would take us back to the Portmore Expressway, and we could enter back. We could either go back into Kingston or back into Portmore. But we're going to turn around and go back up, drive back on the road. So also, when you're coming into Portmore, there is a exit on the Portmore Expressway that will take you straight onto this road. And on the left, those restaurants face the sea, so you have an ocean view. And the food is very nice at some of these restaurants. There was one restaurant, I don't remember the name now, I don't know if it still operates, but it was one of the top restaurants in Jamaica at one time. People would come over here just to have lunch. I wish I come over here because you have to go over the causeway, so that's why we refer to coming over to Portmore, because you have to go over the causeway bridge. I don't remember the name of the restaurant. If anybody can remember the name of the restaurant, leave a message in the section below. And of course, if you're in Portmore there and you're thinking of food, seafood, naturally Hellshire is going to pop into your mind. I'm going to make a video of Hellshire, and it's a beach, but the beach has been eroded, so you don't really have a lot of swimming going on there. But it's famous for its restaurants. The same way Back Road is famous for its food and restaurants, so is Hellshire. And when persons travel to Jamaica, they always, if they get a chance, go over to Hellshire to have a fish. Fish and bammy, they always say. That's how popular and famous Hellshire is. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.